Hello everyone. So here I am doing the secondary fuel filter. It's less fun than the other one, but this is kind of how I routed my hoses to go straight to the drain pan. Yep. Luckily it comes with this hose already installed, so you just connect to that and there's a yellow button on the top. You turn that and it'll drain. Now I'm on the next step, trying to get the top off and this nice awesome space they give you. Now we're doing the secondary fuel filter. I don't know if you can see it back there, but I'm using an 1'8" socket with a swivel and a 2-foot extension with my handy dandy breaker bar. I got it pretty easily, but if you don't have this length, it makes it kind of tough. These are some tools I use to help me. Use a drain pan, use a 1/4" PVC hose. This is the secondary filter. They have an O-ring in there. Make sure you lube that before you put it in. There's one on the side here. It's kind of built in. When I pulled this out, it's kind of hard to pull. You can see it's oval here. On the stem that comes up, make sure you kind of get it in the right position, otherwise you're going to have a terrible time. Now before you try and start the vehicle, you want to prime the fuel system. So the way you do that is you don't put your foot on the brake, you just go straight to the on position and then the truck will turn on the pump by itself. About 2 to 3 times, but the way I did it is I did the primary filter first, prime the fuel system, then I did the secondary, and then I primed the fuel system again. After you've primed it a few times, you can listen to the pump. Sometimes it will load up, and that's a good indication that you've removed most of the air. I would recommend using OEM or something equivalent. These fuel systems are quite expensive, so don't screw around. Now you can start it like normal. Let it idle for a few minutes just to check for leaks and make sure it doesn't turn off for any reason. That concludes this video. It's the first one I ever made, so give me a break. Like and subscribe and let me know if you want me to do anything else.